Love can feel elusive sometimes, especially when self-doubt and negativity creeps in. Maybe you've been hard on yourself lately, or you're struggling to feel that sense of connection with others. But here's the thing. Love, in all its forms, starts with you. In this 5-minute meditation, we're going to cultivate love. Love for yourself. If at all possible, find yourself in a comfortable seated posture. Spine erect, head facing forward, eyes closed, mouth closed, breathing through the nose. And we'll keep our awareness here at the tips of the nostrils, observing the flow of air as we inhale and we exhale. Self-doubt is common. We all don't feel like superheroes every day. I know today I did not feel like a superhero at all. It was tough getting out of bed and tough getting my day going. It was a challenge producing this video and getting it out to you. Meditation, I found, as the most consistent thing that I can do in order to get past these negative feelings, these negative times or phases in our day. It would be extremely difficult to appreciate the love or positivity if we didn't experience lows or negative experiences. When we are feeling these negative or doubtful experiences, it can be difficult to push through them. Let's keep our awareness here at the tips of the nostrils. I've found meditation to be a gentle way of allowing those things to pass away or to be brushed aside. It makes it much easier for when love presents itself to you or opens itself up to you so that you can, let's say, latch on for a better grip. When that stranger smiles, when that child does this, when that animal does that, when this memory of this thing that was pretty awesome comes up. I find with meditation I'm more easily able to latch on to these things and lift myself up out of these negative ruts. Being hard on yourself during these times is very common. Let's keep our awareness here at the tips of the nostrils. Learning how to let go of that feeling, those sensations, giving yourself a break without giving up, I think is a very tricky path to walk. We need to take break from things, but we also need to keep going. Life doesn't stop for us because we are not having the best day. Meditation, I've also found, helps to cultivate love for myself. Let's keep our awareness here at the tips of the nostrils. Continually returning to the practice makes it much easier to access positivity, I've found. Let's bring our awareness to the legs. Let's relax the legs. Let's relax the pelvis and the hips. Let's relax the abdomen. Relax the chest and the heart center. Relax the shoulders. Relax the jaw. Relax the forehead. Namaste.